This conference will now be recorded.
So is it audible to you?
Yes,
Yes, is it
hello.
okay? Yeah, Ajit, is it audible?
Yeah, audible.
Okay. Today we are going to see Amazon S3 storage practical. Go to management console. So click on services. Go to storage here. You can see S3 storage. Click on S3 storage. Now is
Hello.
it clear? Hello. Now is it clear? You can
Yeah,
see.
now it's better than that. Yeah.
So go to storage. Click on S3. Just a minute. I'm going to. So now creating a new bucket. Click on create bucket. Bucket name. So you can give any name. See, but see, this is global. Right side you can see this is not related to any particular region. The buckets are global. You can access your bucket from any region. It is not related to any particular region. So bucket name IBS bucket. So where you want to create the bucket, to that region, Asia Pacific Mumbai AP South A.
Okay.
So that is the bucket name, and we have to select the region. Click on. Leave it defaults here. By default, block all public access. So if you give uncheck the box, anybody they can access your bucket. So by default, you can put block all public access. So afterwards, we are going to remove this public access. Bucket versioning by default is disabled, so I am enabling the versioning. Default encryption is disabled, so click on create bucket. So bucket with the same name already exists. See, bucket, whatever the name you given, if it is the name already is there, it will not take the name of the bucket. So it is unique. So change the bucket. Bucket hyphen BS. Already BS one. So bucket hyphen BS. Click on create bucket. So bucket BS1 is created. Now you can upload any data into this bucket. Any type of files, videos, whatever it may be, photos. Click on bucket. So no objects. You do not have any objects in the bucket. Click on upload. Click on add files. So I am uploading. I am going to desktop. For example, I am uploading one HTML file. Are you hearing, Ajit? Ajit, are you hearing? My voice is audible. Ajit, my voice is audible.
Yes, Reni, are you saying something?
Yeah, my voice is audible or not?
Yeah, actually, in my area, power is cut off, so that is the. So I joined through the mobile,
Okay, okay. Is it okay?
so it's okay. You can process ahead.
Okay. So click on bucket. So
Yes.
upload any objects into the bucket, either files, videos, whatever it may be. So click on add files. I am uploading one document. So index.html file I am uploading. And also I am uploading another video. For example, my demo video, maybe it will take more time. Uh, some other PPT I am uploading, like any kind of files you can upload, whether it is the video or audio files. So I uploaded 2 files here. So click on upload. Upload status, the information below will no longer be after you navigate away from this page, S3 bucket. So these two are successfully uploaded. So
Okay.
destination S3 colon / bucket -ds1. So click on exit. Upload succeeded. View details below. So successfully uploaded these two files. Click on exit. So click on file. See, you can check the overview of the file. Owner AWS region Asia Pacific Mumbai AP South A. Last modified December 19, 2020. Size 29 bytes. Type HTML. So S3 URL is S3 colon slash slash bucket hyphen DS1 slash index dot HTML. So Amazon resource name is ARN colon AW. This is default assigned by the Amazon. So entity tag, this is the tag number they given. So object URL https colon slash slash bucket hyphen ds1 dot s3 dot ap hyphen south 1 dot amazon s3. So this is the URL by default given by the AWS. Click on this URL. See, error came. Access denied. Access denied because of don't have public access for this bucket URL.
Okay.
So you have to give the permissions. Now to allow users to download or view, you have to give the permissions. So how to give the permissions? Go to bucket. Here you can have the option permissions. Click on permissions. So uncheck the, click on edit. So uncheck this. Block all public access. Uncheck this one. Click on save changes. So to confirm it, you have to type confirm. Click on confirm. Now drag down this one. Bucket policy, object ownership, access control list. So any one of the other permissions, if you want to give, you can give grant permissions. So click on edit. So grantee, bucket owner, you can have list permission, write permissions, bucket ACL, read, write. So everyone public access. Check the box, list, read permissions. So default permissions you can assign. Check the box, click on save changes. So successfully edited access control lists, everything public access is yes. Now go to URL, you can check whether it is opening or not. So go to Amazon S3, here objects, click on bucket, click on the file, click on the URL now. It's not yet. So check the permissions again. Click on URL, still no permissions we are having. Block all public access off. Okay.
Public bucket policy, no need bucket policy. Object ownership, no need. So access control list, grantee basic read-write permission to other accounts. Okay. AWS does not recommend grantee access to the everyone grantee. Okay, no problem. Given. So everyone public access, read access we given. Now click on edit this one. So read permission we given. List permission. Okay. Authenticated user group, anyone with an AWS account. Okay. Read S3 delivery group. This is the URL. Okay. Okay. Right. So I understand the effects of the permissions. Access for other AWS account, add grantee, no need. Click on save changes. So this bucket can be accessed by anyone on the internet unless you require a public configuration for a specific verified use case. So this is access for everyone in internet. Now go to objects, click on properties here. Again, we are going to check the properties. Bucket versioning, tags, default encryption, no. Internet tiering archive configuration, create server access logging, AWS CloudTrail data event notifications, no need. Object lock, no need. Request static web hosting, we are not at web hosting static. Click on management, create lifecycle rule, replication rules, inventory configurations. So these we are going to see later. Access points, click on access points. So create access point, this is also no need now. So click on objects, click on index.html. Click on the URL. So is there any information is there or not? We are going to check here index.html. Double click on this. So this is my Windows web server. Okay. So everything we given the permissions, why it is not opening? Just to see. Confirm. Everyone authentication, everything is okay. Select this object. We are going to check this object. Click on actions, download. Okay, no problem. So click on permissions. So I can change my login. Maybe in this login, maybe not working because of this account is created more than 1.5 year back. So log back in. So another username, another account I have. This one. Now go to services. Click on S3 storage. This is another account, AWS account. Second account. Sometimes
Yes.
after 1 year is the free of cost. After that, maybe some services they are not going to allow. Here we are going to check.
Oh, yeah.
So create bucket. So by bucket name, my AWS bucket. You can give any name. Asia Pacific Mumbai, AP South A. So uncheck block all public access. I acknowledge this one. Versioning, enable the versioning. Same. Click on create bucket. So my bucket already is there. My bucket -1 is there. 1, 2. My bucket -1, 2. Create bucket. So click on the bucket now. Now upload the files. Click on upload. Add files. So go to desktop, index.html. I am opening, uploading. So click on upload. So bucket is uploaded. Click on exit. Now this is the bucket. Select the file. So click on make public. This is we forget. When public read access is enabled and not blocked by public access setting, anyone in the world can access the specified objects. Make public. Okay, now click on exit. Click on index.html. Click on the URL. Now see, this is my Windows web server. So we have to give the action, go to action button. So we have to give make public. So after giving the permissions also, we have to give make public. So how to give, again I'm showing you. So go to bucket. First to click on permissions. So here we unchecked the box, block all public access. So if we check, nobody can access. Uncheck this box, click on save changes. So you have to give confirm. Next step, go to the objects, click on bucket. So you can check all the information. Then go to bucket, select the bucket, check the object, click on actions, drag down this bar. So here, make public, there is option, click on make public. So click on make public. Now click on exit. Then click on index.html, click on the URL. Just click on this URL, your website will open. Like videos also you can play, photos also you can access by using that URL. So copy or move files from one bucket to another. Now create one new bucket. Create a bucket. My win bucket. Asia Pacific Mumbai, AP South A, OK, choose bucket, block all public access, uncheck the box, bucket versioning enable. So click on create bucket. So already is there, -12.
Yeah.
So if already with the name anybody using in the cloud environment, we cannot create the bucket by using that same name, create bucket. So now open the my AWS bucket 12. Select the file which you want to copy, right click, select this one, click on actions. So there is option copy, click on copy, click on browse S3, click on choose destination. S3 AWS bucket. -2. This is the source destination win bucket. Click on copy. Successfully copied objects. Now click on exit. Now click on Amazon S3. Click on my win bucket 1, 2. See, that is copied. So we can copy the files or folders from one bucket to another bucket. So the file which has in my AWS bucket 1, 2, this index.html, we copy to my win bucket -1, 2. This is my win bucket -1, 2. We copied. So anything you can copy like this. Now how to delete the file from bucket? So select the file, click on delete. To delete the file from bucket, select the file which are located in your bucket, click on delete. Here confirm, delete. We have to type delete. Delete objects. Successfully deleted. Now you can check. Click on exit. Go to Amazon S3. Click on my win bucket -1, 2. So no objects are there because just now we deleted.
Sir, Srini, just suppose our application, any Java application I want to deploy, it's like that same way we have to do that.
You can host your websites and your Java applications also you can deploy here. Deploying Java applications means we can go for the Elastic Beanstalk because you have a code is
Okay.
there. Java code is there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that code you have to apply. So you have to deploy. So you need background, you need some infrastructure, some platform,
Yeah.
but you don't know about
Yes.
the infrastructure platform. So by using Elastic Beanstalk, so you can deploy your code, whatever it may be, Java, JSON, whatever it may be. Automatically, the infrastructure and platform is given by the AWS people. Your code will be applied directly. You can access your code.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This is for only, so you can upload your code. You can upload here. But deploying the code means you can go for the Elastic Beanstalk. We are going to discuss on our later classes.
Okay. Yeah.
So how to host a static website using Amazon S3 bucket? So we have to create the bucket name and region we given. So what I am going to do? So here you can check Amazon S3, my AWS bucket 1, 2. See, this is the URL name here. So this much of URL you cannot give to your end users. So how do you tell your URL name? You cannot tell https:// my AWS bucket -12.s3 ap. So this https URL link we cannot send like this. So there is a simple way, www.ds.com, www.xyz.com. So I want to make it static host website. How to host a static website? So create one bucket, Amazon S3, create bucket name www.ds.com, uncheck block all public access, versioning enable. So click on create bucket, check the box, I acknowledge the current settings, create bucket. So whatever the website files you are having, website contents, you can upload them. So click on the bucket, click on upload, add files. So I'm uploading same index.html file. If you have another files, you can upload any videos or anything you can upload. So click on index.html, click on upload, upload successfully uploaded, click on exit. Now select the bucket properties. Here see static web hosting. There is option, last one. Use this bucket to host a website to redirect requests. Click on edit. Click on enable. So host a static website. So here write down the file name index.html. Here error code 404.html. Click on save. Save changes. So now this is completed. Now you can check your bucket policy. Where is bucket policy? Bucket versioning, tags, default encryption, intelligent tiering archiving, server access logging, AWS client data events, event notifications, object block, static web hosting is enabled. Okay, no problem. So click on Amazon S3. Select the bucket. Click on bucket. Click on the properties. Now click on this endpoint. So www.ds.com 403 forbidden code access denied, error while attempting retrieve a customer error document code. Click on permissions. Here click on bucket policy edit. So that URL we have to copy here. This one, copy, go to policy. So copy the policy, click on save changes. Cancel. Right click, paste. www.ds.com permissions. Properties. This is the endpoint. Okay, static web hosting. Click on edit. So everything is fine, but maybe see, we have to generate on bucket JSON language script. Tomorrow I will show you this how to generate the script and how to copy. So we have to copy the script.
Okay. Yes.
Bucket policy script. We have to copy and paste it. Then it will open our static website. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Tomorrow we are going to see. So tomorrow we are going to see bucket policies, this static web hosting and versioning, cross region replication CRR, S3 storage we are going to complete, then Amazon Glacier, how to move our data to Amazon Glacier. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.